This is a Max Mechanical Mini, and specifically for Mac. So out of the box, like DMX Master, we got another box. And so the keyboard on top, wrapped, that's quite hefty, and some paperwork with a USB-C cable, USB-C to USB-C cable, and that's pretty much it on the box. Let's look at the keyboard itself. To be honest, it feels very rigid and very strong, with a metal body and a plastic in the back. It has adjustable, one size adjustable fit. That was the main part, the mechanical feel. And here is how it sounds. So that's MX Mechanical Mini. See you in the next one.